As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize it's not left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't me be treated like a punk. You know that's unheard of. You better watch how you talking and where you're walking. Are you?